Hi guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to solve the vertical video problems that you took from your smartphone. As you can see from the example on this video, this is the video that I took by using the vertical mode. So I'm gonna show you the 4 simple ways to solve the problem. Okay, so this is on the Final Cut Pro. What you need to do is just to drag and drop the videos that you wish to edit onto the Final Cut Pro, and as you can see now I drag that video onto my Final Cut Pro. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to show you is a very simple way that you can do is copy Ctrl C and Ctrl V and put it somewhere, put it onto each other, and then what you need to do is to edit the one which is behind the first one. Okay, let's say now I select let's say the bottom one, and then what you need to do next is to go to transform, click on transform. As you can see here, let's say put it into 50 and then try to resize it, like increase the size. Just do like that. Okay, and next is click done and go back to 100. Okay, so as you can see here, right, but it's not finished yet. The next thing that you need to do is to go to effect. You can just click on blur and Gaussian blur, drag it and drop. Yeah, so click on this one and the amount. Okay, something like this. It's much better now. Looks, now you have a good video quality, let's say, because it seems to be dulled if you leave the black screen both sides of the video, so it's better to do something like this, so it looks more professional and it's nice. And then if you want to change the color, it's up to you. So what you need to do is to click on this and go to all color correction, or you can just put like the color of the video itself, like this one look like this, or this one, the color, or this one. So it's up to you, or you can just go to color correction directly. So let's see blue one, drag and drop, and here you can also adjust, like, okay, the color grading, like you don't want this kind of color, and then it looks better now. Okay, so this is what you want, right? Okay, this is the first way to help your vertical video looks better than before. Now let's move on to the second way, how we can solve this problem, or can add it and make it more professional and looks better. Okay, so this is way number 2. So what you need to do is to copy and paste and paste, and then what you need to do is to put it up here and put 2 up there. But this time the trick is you have to adjust the 2 video down here. So click on the first one or the last one, on the bottom one, transform, make it like this, something like this, in the middle, yeah, in the middle, half, and this one half, like this. And the next thing that you need to do is to decrease the view size, make it bigger so that it stay in the middle. And you can do the same thing on this one. Yeah, so that's 2. And then now you have this kind of video. It's nice. And the next thing that you can do is to select this 2 video and right click and choose new compound clip. Click OK. Now the left and the right video is now combined into 2-1 video. So now let's move back to 100%. The next thing is quite similar to the first step, is to choose blur and Gaussian blur, drag and drop to the clip that you wish to add the effect to. And now look at this, it's pretty amazing, it's awesome. No, here you can adjust with the blurry effect, okay, how much you want it to be blurred. And next is to click or to find, or you can choose even choose the color correction, just drag and drop, or you can choose any effect that you have in mind. So like color corrections, I can play around with the color, as you can see. Yeah, any color that I want. Yeah, something like that. And then go to saturation. I can start to decrease, okay, make it almost black and white, so it's much better right now. Okay, exposure, if you want to decrease or increase the brightness. And now you are done. You have, this is the second way of making vertical video problems better, or looks better. Okay, so now let's welcome to the third way that you can use in order to solve the vertical problems. So what you need to do is, again, just drag the video and drop it on your Final Cut Pro, and then just copy and paste and drag it up onto the other, delete, and the same thing happens. What you need to do is to adjust the bottom video. Click on the bottom video and click on transform. Click on transform, but this time it might be a little bit different. What you need to do is to do like this, and then resize it. It might be a problem because it might not look good than before, because this time you have different angles from different video. It might make you feel dizzy, but don't worry with the blur effect, the Gaussian blur. Just drag and drop it, and this time you increase the amount of the blurry effect more, something like that, so that the escalator is not recognizable, so it's much better. Okay, so let's check the video, how it is now. To be honest, it still looks better to have blurry effect both sides of the video rather than leaving them black. Okay, so this is going to be the last way of how to solve the vertical video problem. Okay, so it's the same as before, just drag and drop the video that you wish to edit and adjust it. So like I am having this video now, what you need to do is to go to title and go to M vertical. This is the effect of M vertical. Just drag it and put it here like this. Now you have the effect. As you can see, it's nice, it's convenient, but the thing is that this kind of effect is quite similar to the second video that I shown you. It's quite similar. It's very similar because the effect is like both sides of the effects is the copy from the original video. As you can see, it's just enlarge the original video, and then it just make it something like this, the look of like this. Okay, so now let's enjoy watching the final products and let me know which one you like the best. Okay, so hope you guys enjoy the video and please don't forget to subscribe.